So in the last video, we set up this view in Paperspace, and I always find it's super annoying when we're working in Paperspace. We double click into this view, we scroll in here by accident, and we lost our scale. And so let's set our scale back here. Let's go to 3/16, and let's bring this view back to the center by holding the scroll wheel like we did in the last video. And down here at the bottom, there is actually a lock button. And so we can use that to lock. And now when I zoom in and I pan with my scroll wheel, I cannot move that view. I double click in, can't move it. And so that's a really great way of, once you get these set up, you want to lock them. And again, if you need to unlock, you can go down here and click this lock button to unlock it, and then that way we can zoom back in again. So that's how to unlock and lock different viewports in AutoCAD.